Hey guys, this will be a quick video on a layover in Amsterdam. So as soon as you exit the airport, you will see the train station. Your next step is to buy a train ticket. Using the train is the fastest way to travel in Amsterdam. So from this machine, you will need to get a train ticket from Schiphol Airport to Amsterdam Central. The ticket is about 10 euros and the train ride should be about 20 to 30 minutes. I found the people to be very friendly, so don't be afraid to ask questions. Majority of the people speak English and they're always willing to answer questions and help the lost tourists. The view is scenic and there's a lot of rivers, but it's a fairly small city and there's not a lot you can do. Amsterdam is more fun in the nighttime because of its famously known red light district. Although I came around 10 AM, the city is still very busy at 10 AM. There's a lot of touristy things you can still do and see a lot of great scenes. This is the Netherlands traditional style of pancakes. I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of miss it. As much as I wanted to stay longer in the city, I did have a flight to catch. So make sure you arrive 2 to 3 hours early because the airport does get packed.